We are at JCAC Flying Field, and you can see from behind me we've got plenty of runway. Nice and sunny out this morning. Let's see if we can put this 4-star 20 in the air. It has a Sato 40 4-stroke on the front. We're going to be flying with the Tactic RC system, and this is kind of how it goes. I'm going to throw this on my head and let's have a lot of fun today. First thing I do is turn on my radio, make sure that we're on the right airplane, right channel. Next thing I do is turn on my plane. The plane has a 6-volt battery inside. Then I'll come back here and kind of can check the control surfaces, make sure I have left and right aileron, left and right rudder, up and down elevator, and everything seems to be on point right this moment. For safety reasons, I'm using this safety starter stand. It secures the airplane to keep it from hurting me or anyone else. We use a glow igniter that goes on a little glow plug down here somehow, like that. I've got an electric starter. Release the prop. Let's see if she'll fire up now, guys. Okay, motor's running, one flip. Okay, 4-star 40. So I'm going to go down, turn around. We're going to take off to the right. I got a little bit of wind, crosswind coming from the left. So as soon as we take off, we're going to hang a left real quick. All right, taking off. There she's in the air. Let it gain a little bit of speed. And I will try to keep it close. This is a 4-star 40. I believe this one is a kit built by Sig Manufacturing. This type of plane has been around for quite a long time. Pretty easy flying plane. Wants to climb a little bit, so I've been trimming on my trim. That crosswind makes it dance just a little bit. Let's see if we remember how to land this thing. We're going to slow the throttle down. Whoa! A little bounce landing. That there, ladies and gentlemen, is a 4-star 40. Nice little flight. We'll do a quick little walk around. Listen to that motor purr. Nice little shot. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Trying to learn how to do these. So nice little 4-star 40 in the background. Hope you enjoy.